guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a wig install and I'm just cutting off the excess cap. I applied it off camera and I used got2b spray and blow dryer and just held it there for 5 minutes. I'm not really the best at the ball cap method. As long as my hair is covered and my edges is covered, that's all I care about. For me, it doesn't have to be perfect. Once I'm done cutting off the excess cap, I'm just here measuring up the wig on my head just to see where I'm going to lay the glue and make sure it's accurate. Once I know where I'm going to place my glue, I just dot along my edges. Well, it's before my edges. And just dot on my hairline really carefully, remembering where the wig is going to lay flat. I do about 2 layers of the glue. Once I spread it, I'll hold the blow dryer against it and then go in for a second layer. Once the glue is dry and tacky, I am so careful just placing the lace on the glue. I use my fingers. You can use a rat tail comb and, gently pat it in. And I'll then get a comb and push it back and press it into my hairline. I do this in sections just to make sure that the wig is laying correctly. Once I get one side done, I just use the comb and brush the hair back into the glue, and that'll have you looking real scalpy. Once the wig is applied, I'll put on the elastic band and let it dry for about 5 minutes. From there, I'll use my hot comb to comb the hair back. Just make sure we're pushing everything back. I did use the wax stick, and that's gonna be the key to your install, the wax stick and the hot comb. Just making sure you're going section by section and just pushing it back to your desired look. I like my installs to be pretty pushed back and defined in the front. So I'm just using the hot comb all over here, and I'll just use it all over the head to basically prep the style and continue molding the style how I want it. Once I get the desired look in the front, I'll just start to brush out the sections. And since I already pre-curled the hair off of camera, I'll be putting in flexi rods to keep my curls overnight. And I'll just use a little bit of serum and begin to roll the rods in my hair. This is the jumbo size. That's the purple ones. I love using the jumbo flexi rods for installs that I want to have nice voluminous curls, because it's an easy heatless way to make sure you have pretty curls. And if you're going out, you can just put them in your hair and then take them out before you get ready. So that's my favorite go-to style when I'm being lazy. I love baby hairs, but I'm not the best at them. I do my best. So here I'm just using a little bit of Got To Be gel and edge control and just attempting a suture. I am not the best. I don't care. But as long as it looks nice, that's all I care about. Now it's the next morning. I do put a little makeup in the part just to blend it a bit. Not too much though. And I'll just take down my flexi rods. I love sleeping in them overnight because you'll get the most perfect curls ever and you barely did anything. So I'll take these down. I'm getting ready. My makeup's already done. And I just brush them out and just twirl them in the direction of the curl to keep it going. And once we bring it all down, it'll just be so pretty. And this is the finished look. As you can see, it's very shiny, very bouncy, and very voluminous. I want to thank you guys for watching my video today. I do hope to be posting more content in the near future. So if you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe.